welcome to the Commission Blaster training video. So in this video I'm going to demonstrate exactly how the software works. So once you've created your account, the first thing that you'll want to do is to go over to the settings page and enter your ClickBank ID, because that is going to insert your affiliate nickname inside the campaigns that we can create. Then head over to create, and we're now ready to start creating campaigns. And it's a very simple process. As you can see, we just choose our niche, enter our website URL, or choose one of the done for you affiliate programs that are preloaded for each niche. Choose our content, which takes the form of a question, an answer, and an image. So the question is basically, do you want to get benefit XYZ? And then the answer is the call to action, and then the image is a picture which is associated with that particular affiliate program and niche. And then we can preview and edit, and then we can share to 30 different social networks. So the first thing I'm going to do is to choose a niche, and in this case I'm going to choose the make money niche. Then we'll click to proceed. Next, it's going to ask us to either enter our own website URL or choose from one of the preloaded affiliate URLs. So I'm going to choose this one here. I'm going to click to proceed, and you can see, by the way, it's inserted our affiliate ID into the ClickBank hop link. We can also click here to preview the link if we aren't familiar with the particular affiliate program. You can also see that we have the price of the affiliate program to give us a sense of the level of earnings that we're going to get. I'm actually going to change that to this one here simply because it pays out a little bit more. Then I'm going to click to proceed to the next step, and you can see that it's now going to ask us to start to select content. The first thing we'll want to do is to choose a question, which is basically asking, do you want to get a particular benefit? So I'm going to choose this one. Are you a newbie, want to profit, and do it in just a few minutes per day? So I'll select that. And then we choose our call to action. And I'm going to choose this one here. And then lastly, we choose an image. And obviously I'm going to add to this database, and there's currently about 60 images here. We're going to have a few hundred at launch. So I'm going to choose this one here. And then all I do is click on proceed. And you can see it's now generated a preview of how this is going to look across the different social networks. And by the way, one of the great things about Commission Blaster is, rather than just sharing the direct affiliate link, we'll actually share a specific landing page which contains graph tags, which basically means that when all the different social networks go to crawl that page and to inspect it before sharing, they'll see an image, a headline, and a call to action like this, and so it will share pretty much the same across every single social network. But what we can do here is we can preview this, we can replace it with our own image, we can double click to change the text if we want to do that, for both the question and also the answer, the call to action. And by the way, you can of course use these templates to for any kind of offer. So even if one of the templates isn't necessarily in line with your particular offer, you can change this. So instead of do you want to profit, do you want to generate affiliate commissions? And of course you can replace the image, and go ahead and replace all of this. And then once that's done, we click through to proceed to the final step, which allows us to actually share our campaign into all of these different social networks, of which there are 30, and you can see them here. We can also filter them by all of these different options, ones that are focused on list building, ones that have many e-commerce buyers, digital product buyers, affiliate buyers, and then we also have options for the biggest social networks and bookmarking sites as well. And when we find one we want to share to, we just click on the link, go ahead and share that, and then once that's been done, we can return to the page and just share to all the other social networks that we want to share to. And then we'll basically be able to rinse and repeat that for all of the different niches, different affiliate programs, and different forms of content that are here. And of course, we can customize all of this to basically spin the templates and spin the campaigns to any website URL or affiliate program that we want to share to. So hopefully this video is clear and it explains the basic idea behind Commission Blaster.